These people have been working out there for like today. They started, and how did they put that many barricades? Oh my god, too white. Okay. I don't know whether you can see the barricades, but if you see the red and white things, that is what I'm talking about. How did they even manage to keep that many barricades in a day? Maybe they... I don't know what the time is. Let me see. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. That's why. Okay. I just woke up. We're gonna go somewhere. The waterfall place yesterday, it should have had water, but since it didn't rain that much, it didn't have water. And yesterday it rained like crazy. And hopefully it's gonna be there. But yeah. See you guys later. Peace. Alright, so we're at the same waterfall place, but this time we know where we're going. Yeah, it may seem a little bit different that there's a pathway right there, but yeah, we're gonna go there. And yeah, see you guys there. Peace. Okay, so now we're in the waterfall place and it's still dry. What gives us the thing that it's a waterfall place? Look at this. You saw this? This is what makes the waterfall place. And this should be the waterfall place. But since there's not as much freaking, what you say, not as much water or rainfall, there's no waterfall. The place where I'm standing at right now, it should be filled with water. But there's no waterfall. Anyways, yeah. See you guys later. Once we reach somewhere in the car maybe. And peace out. I like how my hair becomes messy during the day, other than how it is in the morning. I made a big mistake, like yesterday it was good and it was holding up good, but yeah. I'm sorry about this. It's a generator and people who work there, and oh my god, what is this? What the hell is this? Can you see it? Can you see this small little plant there? Well, the camera doesn't look, that's the one there. Oh my god, bro! Anyways, we're getting eaten by insects. If you're gonna come here, get some insects, whatever it's called, so you don't get eaten. Anyways, yeah. See you guys later. Peace out. So I know I haven't been vlogging as much as the first 3 days of this vlog, but to be honest, I kind of lost it with the vlogs because of two things. First thing, I'm not inspired as much. The inspiration just went. And second of all, my gear is broken. Like my mic is broken. Anyways, I'ma go old tomorrow and go full blast. Shut up. So yeah, I'ma end this vlog. I know it's again short, but yeah. See you guys later. Peace out. Yeah, by the way, I'm make more time lapses because I know the time lapses are not been there. okay? But yeah, I'm gonna do more time lapses when I get the inspiration too, and see you guys there.